This video will show you how to use the Blackboard Grader app. Right now, this app is only available for iOS devices. I'm using an iPad, and I have already downloaded Blackboard Grader from the iTunes Store. When you launch the app, this is what you see, and you just want to type in Grand Rapids Community College, select it from the list, and then log in with your username and password. Now, I went right into my Blackboard 101 course. If I click up here, I can select from any course that I'm currently enrolled in as an instructor or a teaching assistant. I was last in this course, and so it brought me back to this course again. And right now, you can switch between all, to do, and completed. You'll see I have term papers that I need to grade. There's nothing showing in completed. And this term paper is the only assignment I have currently in this course, and I have 3 test students here, and they've all submitted something. So I can go ahead and click right on a student's name, and it will bring up their term paper. And it's going to work to display this term paper on my app. Now, this is powered by Crocodoc, which some of you may be familiar with if you've used inline grading right in Blackboard. So if you have, these tools should be familiar. So here you have the ability to zoom in and out. If you click here, you can place a comment. So I could just move it where I want it and then type in my comment. Okay, this will allow you to download it, so you can download this document to your iPad, and if you want to download a PDF version with all of your comments, you can also do that. The new Grader app starts coming in when you click on this grade feature up here in the top. And I did tie a rubric to this assignment, and if you click on this grid, it's a 9-square grid, you'll see your rubric come up. And I actually have a lot of detail in all of these boxes here. So under reasoning and analysis, if I click on this I, it'll tell me exactly what I meant. For below expectations, which is worth 0 points, proficient, which is worth 10, and exemplary, which is worth 20. So you can simply click on the boxes, and again you can toggle this I back and forth for the different areas to get more information, but I can click and select what the student has earned for each one, and if I click in the corner on this comment icon, I can also add specific feedback just for this area. So if I wanted to explain why I was awarding them a 0 for reasoning and analysis, I could give them some specific information here. And when you're ready, you can hit save, and it will save the grade. Now, I can hit save draft, and I can wait, and I can send all the grades later if I want. I can also add more feedback here, grading notes, which would just be for me and other graders in my class to see, and I could also provide audio or video feedback by clicking here on the buttons. Because I'm taking a recording of my screen already, I do not want to do this because it will get really hairy. So I'm going to go ahead and go back, I'm going to save this, and go into the next student's paper. Now it is not required that you use a rubric, so you could still use this tool without a rubric and simply annotate and create comments on their document and then give them a number or letter grade. Okay, so here's the second term paper I need to grade, and when I'm ready I can just click on grade up here. Now if I wasn't using a rubric, this is where you could type in points and you could give feedback to the student right here. And when you're ready, you can just go ahead and save the grade. And then, now I could send the grade from here if I was ready. So I'll just say, yep, send it from here. However, if you wanted to, you can wait until you've done all of the grading and then from this screen, click here, send graded, and it will send the grades for anything that has been graded and not yet sent. It will send those up to Blackboard. And that is how to use the BB Grader app.